I've got a new code. Oh, and dancing right through it. I'm on your 17, you know, the top 3% and the best bit. I'm a tester, a coder, and a learner. 'Cause I'm top tier. I don't need bugs 'cause I beat those and it's clean code. 'Cause I'm top tier, that's right. They say I'm elite, bought out the high performing 3% breed. A 7 in consulting, superstar with each project surpassing the lead. I'm a tester, a coder.